Imagine creating professional quality music with just a simple text prompt. No instruments, no music production skills, and no expensive software. And the crazy part? This new AI music generator might actually be better than Suno AI. In this video, I'll test it, compare the results, and show you exactly what it can create.
TechPolestar is your trusted source for verified digital tools. We deliver premium digital products at affordable prices with instant access and 24/7 support. Enjoy a secure, seamless, and worry-free shopping experience. Visit techpolestar.com today for reliable digital solutions at unbeatable value.
Here you can see I already created a video about how to create song by Suno or by Studio, but this video is about Mozart, and this is also completely free. You don't need to add your card detail or anything. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, then please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like this video. And if you are interested to learn about AI, then just visit my YouTube channel homepage. You will find many videos about cloud code, AI, or text to video generation, or how to access Cdance or Opus or any another AI model. So just visit my YouTube channel homepage. Just visit this URL mozart.ai. I will give this website URL in this video description and in a comment box also. After visit the website, simply click on this sign up button. You can also use your Discord account, Apple, Google, or email. I will choose this Google. Simply select the Google. Then choose one Gmail account. If you had logged in multiple Gmail account, click on this continue button. Then here you can see what is your sound. You can choose according to you. I will select simply random or hip hop and rock. Then click on this next. Then select anything. I am new to this. Type your name, nickname. Here you can see what kind of music maker are you. Select anything. I will select this AI first creator. Then enter Mozart. Now we need to wait few moments. Go to ChatGPT or Gemini or any another text generation AI. Then simply paste your prompt or your what is in your mind. So I will give for the test. Here you can see, for example, I write a simple prompt, then send to ChatGPT, and our lyrics is ready. Here you can see Hands 2.0. You can also try this. Click on this vibe session, and here you can see write your lyrics. Now we need to paste our lyrics here. Simply go to ChatGPT, then paste our lyrics. The another thing we required is describe the style. Here you can see. So let's go to again ChatGPT, then ask describe the style for suitable this. Simply I will copy this prompt, or you can also manually rewrite. For example, I use just this emotional, then paste here. After that, click on this create button. Now our song is generating. Let's wait few moments. For premium private content that is not available on YouTube and few things I can't discuss publicly, join our WhatsApp group and Telegram channel. Links are in this video description. Now here you can see our song is created. Let's download one by one. Simply click on this download button. Then this is the another variant. Download. Simply allow, and here you can see our both song is downloaded. Let's open first this.
I remember your hands holding mine when I was small and scared of the night. You said, my son, you'll be just fine. And somehow you made everything right. You worked so hard, you hid your pain. You gave me dreams when you had none.
Now let's play another song, another variant.
I remember your hands holding mine when I was small and scared of the night. You said, my son, you'll be just fine. And somehow you made everything right. You worked so hard, you hid your pain. You gave me dreams.
So you can use both variant. You can use both variant or whichever is good for your project or your video or for your content. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the Vivas Malik YouTube channel for simple, honest and free deal like this. Hit the like button and turn on bell icon so you never miss an update. And for even better deal, detailed guide and make sure visit techpolster.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.